Welcome to the Carrotcast. Today's day is all about the tip, which is using mobility tree to most effective way. Now you see here I have my two marches and I have not put a secondary commander, but one of them is a cow and one of them is a Belisarius. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make them move from point A to point B. So let's say I selected both of them and I want them to go till here. So once I made them move, if I check what is the speed that I have, it is going to take cow 57 seconds and Belisarius 1 second. So Belisarius is of course slow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take Belisarius and I'll try to increase the speed. So what I use is something called as a node hopping. What I did is I have selected and I have made him jump into a node, and as soon as I see him entering, I have already got a handle on Belisarius. I'll make him jump somewhere else. Now from here I'll make him jump here, and what you are seeing here is my Belisarius is actually moving much faster than the cow. As soon as it enters the node, you move. So even though my Belisarius took a zigzag path as compared to cow's direct path, what you see is there is a difference of around 12 seconds in a 1 minute. So that's a significant speed that you achieve while using the technique of node hopping. Now why does it work? It works simply because we have this tree called as a mobility tree. So cow also has the mobility tree, and Belisarius has the mobility tree, and this talent called as a hasty departure. So when troops led by this commander depart from a structure, increase march speed by 60% for the next 10 seconds. Extremely important. So if you are jumping node every 10 seconds, you will have a constant 60% high speed, which is significantly higher. Now, a lot of people know about how to use this, but actually make a mistake while using it. So I'll just showcase to you again how it works. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to travel again to this, and the trick that you have to do is you have to hold your Belisarius before it enters the node, because once it enters the node you will not be able to select him very fast. What you have to do is you have to press and hold for 3 seconds and then only you will get the handle, which is not the correct way. The correct way for you is hold him before, and as soon as he enters the node you do it. Now this is a very important trick. You will need to practice it, because if you do not practice it you are going to make mistakes. And try it in your home kingdom, practice it as much as possible, because this really helps you run away from a bad fight or actually chase somebody down like a farm killer, and it really is very important to you. Now I'll transition to the other part of the video where we talked about in my previous video about the calculation on how much AP you can generate, so using barb forts. So if you see here, we are going to enter into pre-KVK. I am ranked 97, and what I wanted to tell you was we have been hitting the Marauder forts for last 14 hours continuously, and we have collected a lot of chests. This is not the entire chest, but we have filled our treasure of blue chest twice since morning. And here I do not know how much of this is, but let me claim everything, and you see that I got 22 potions of 50 AP, which is very significant, and this is just the accumulation in last 2 hours. So you see, right, 11 rallies are running parallelly, and you will generate a lot of AP. So since morning I have been only using the AP that I am generating using the bar fort. So amazing idea here. People who want to see the calculation, I'll put a card on the top so you can see that calculation. And as you see, in just 1 day we will be entering, so 1 day 10 hours we will be entering KVK. I'll come up with a new series of videos then. Till then, thank you, and a special thank to Gretchen Bully, who is our alliance mate, for suggesting that we build this video for our friends so they can take advantage of this. Thank you very much.